Hi there, and welcome to this week's Form Time Numeracy Challenge. Let's get started. Your first two questions. Please pause for as long as you need. Question 2. Again, pause as required. Question 3 coming up. And let's move on to the answers. So, first question. Okay, so 15% is 15% means out of 100. So 15 out of 100, I can write as a fraction, 15 over 100. And I know that 15 and 100 are both divisible by 5. They're both in the 5 times tables, and they have 5 as their highest common factor. So 15 divided by 5 gives me 3. 100 divided by 5 gives me 20. So my fraction is 3/20. Next question. So we can get 140 texts for £5, but we get 15% extra free. Now, there's many different ways you can work out 15%, but one way to do it is you know that the whole amount, 100%, is 140. So 10% is 14, 5% is half of that, is 7, and then add the 10 and 5 to get 15%. 14 and 7 gives me my 21%. So I've got my 140, my original number of texts, plus my 21 additional free, my 15% extra free, gives me 161 texts in total. And I'm texting, I think this might be written quite a while ago, this question, 7 texts per day. So 161 divided by 7 gives us 23 days. Question 2. Okay, so we've got to convert. And I think the easiest thing to do is probably convert them all into minutes. So 4 hours and 39 minutes gives us 279 minutes. Billy is given as 274 minutes. And Charlie is given as a fraction. So we can turn it into an improper fraction and then use equivalent fractions, make 60 our denominator to allow us to convert it into minutes. I could have also just done 3/5 and worked out that that was the same as 36 over 60, and then added on the 4 hours or the 240 minutes. And that gives me in total, either way, 276 minutes. Let's go back to the question. It says who was the quickest? Quickest is therefore Billy at 274 minutes, and the slowest is Adam at 279 minutes. Okay, final question coming up, our triangle. So let's look at what we've got. We had a little square here which told us that that was a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So if I look at my top triangle here, I've got 90 degrees, I've got 19 degrees, so I can add those together, subtract from 180 to give me my 71 degrees down here. So now I need to look at the bottom triangle to work out A. So I'm just going to get rid of that top triangle to make things a little bit easier. So now I've got 72 here. I've got 71 and 17 here, so I can add those together. And it's A that I'm trying to find. We know that, again, the internal angles of a triangle 7 to 180 degrees. So A plus 72 plus 71 plus 17 is 180. I can collect all these numbers together. They make 160. Then I can use my balancing method that many of you are learning at the moment or practicing at the moment. By subtracting 160 from both sides results in the angle A being 20 degrees. And just a little reminder here, we've got acute, obtuse and reflex angles, 100 degrees, just a little bit more than 90 degrees. So it's going to be obtuse. That's all from me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.